Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I practice a fasting lifestyle. So for the month of October and November and December, for 3 months, I'll be doing the Fast Like a Girl method that is promoted by Dr. Mindy Pelz. Mainly I'm doing it to balance my hormones. So I kind of show you guys what my cycle currently looks like. It's like all over the place. Some days is 34 days, some days is 28 days, some days is 44 days. So I do have a cycle that is not regular in terms of I do have a period every month. However, the number of days continuously varies. I also struggle with fibroids, and so I know that I have some form of hormone imbalance going on. Back in my 20s, I was diagnosed with PCOS before I lost a lot of the weight. So yeah, I know that my hormones are off, and so that's the reason why now that I am not like super concerned about my weight, mainly because I've lost the extra weight that I gained this summer. My clothes are fitting me like they used to before the summer started, and I was about 62.5 kilograms, which I mean I still have weight to lose, but I'm okay where I am currently weight wise. How I do love fasting, however, and so I do plan to continue living a fasting lifestyle. And last month I did OMAD the entire month, and I've been doing fasting for over a year now consistently. And so trying to fix my hormone, I decided that I'm gonna try the Fast Like a Girl method, which is basically fasting according to the different phases of your cycle. So for the first 10 days, according to Dr. Mindy, you can do whatever fast you want. Long fasts are preferable. And so for the first 10 days of my cycle, I did OMAD, which is like my go-to fasting method. I really love doing OMAD, which is like fasting for 18 or more hours each day. Now I'm currently on day 13 of my cycle, and according to Dr. Mindy, from day 11 through 15, you're not supposed to fast more than 15 hours. So since day 11, I have been fasting just about 15 hours, more or less, a little bit under, a little bit over sometimes, but I'm trying to get to less than 15 hours these days. It's quite difficult. For example, right now I'm about 15 hours and 30 minutes fasted. I'm not hungry, but I know I need to break my fast right about now. I'm a little bit late on that. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and break my fast with a protein coffee. I am big on eating dinner. Like that's when I'm most hungry and I get all my cravings. So usually when I did OMAD, I would just have my meal like at dinner time, which works best for me. For the last 2 days though, breaking my fast earlier on in the day have just resulted in me snacking all day long. And so today I'm trying to like get into a better rhythm of it, because if I keep doing that, I'm just gonna gain weight. I know. So yeah, I'll try to just break my fast now with a protein coffee, maybe have like a big yogurt bowl, have a little snack before the gym, and then have the majority of my meal at dinner time. Yeah, so I actually bought the book. I live in Madrid, so I had to buy the book in from the UK. So I'm actually getting it today. I'm super excited to actually read the Fast Like a Girl book. I'll leave a link below so you can find it on Amazon like really quickly. If you're in the US, it's pretty easy to get off Amazon, but here in Madrid, it was telling me I would get it in January if I buy it now on Amazon. So I just like bought it off eBay from someone in the UK, and they shipped it here. So yeah, I'm super excited to read the book. I have watched a ton of her videos and interviews about fasting like a girl, and so I'm hoping that within these next 3 months I am able to balance my hormones and just have a consistent 28-day cycle. I have been tracking my cycle. I use an app. I'll show you here as well the app that I use to just track my cycle. I'm supposed to be in the manifestation phase or ovulation phase right now. So day 13. Let me show you what I'm breaking my fast with. So I'm breaking my fast now with my protein coffee. In here I have 20 grams of my protein powder, almond milk, and a teaspoon of ground up flaxseed and sesame seeds. So I'm gonna break my fast now, and I'll let you know if I eat anything else before my dinner later. So my next meal was dinner that night. I had some roasted pumpkins along with ham, sauerkraut, morcilla. I made some sandwiches with the morcilla and baked potatoes. They were really, really delicious, and it's full of iron. And then for dessert, I had a slice of homemade cheesecake and my protein ice cream with chocolate.